Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install Aurora Store on your Android TV. This is the simplest way to do it, so please make sure you like the video, and if you find it helpful, subscribe for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, this is exactly what you should do to install the Aurora Store. The first thing is go over to your browser. You can use your Google browser or any browser that you want on your Android TV. As long as your TV is an Android TV, this is going to work. So in your browser, what you have to do is to install the downloader application. So you go over to your browser and search for downloader. On search for the downloader application, you are going to get results like this. And below here, this option here is the one you can use to install downloader from the Google Play Store on your browser. So I'm using my browser to install downloader without necessarily using Google Play Store. So I just click over here and I install the browser or install the downloader. And as you can see, here's the application. It's going to download in a couple of seconds. It doesn't really take a lot of time. And you can do this on your Android TV without using Google Play Store like I just did. Now you come over here and install. If it's your first time, you will be asked to log into your Google account, which is just using your email address and your password. Now here's the application. So I just go ahead and launch it. Now this is what you have to type, or this is the code you need to type to install the Aurora Store. So go over here and type in this code. It is a pretty easy code. It is 371 371 971 again. So 371 971. So you type in this code, I go ahead and launch. So once you launch, this code goes straight away to downloading and installing the Aurora application. So here's it. It's going to install the application straight away. Just give it a moment. And here's the application. It's going to start downloading to our Android TV. It doesn't take a lot of time also. Just give it a second and the application will be installed. Now that the application is being installed or downloaded, just click install over here and the application will be installed to our Android TV. And this is how to download and install the application. Now once you are done, delete the app file from your Android TV, and if you return to your applications, if you return to your apps here, I believe you will see Aurora Store installed somewhere. So here's the application. I can go ahead now and launch it and use on your Android TV. So that's how to install the Aurora Store to your Android TV, the easiest method. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.